Right, when n equals 5, which of the following loops will generate the output values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Okay, so remember on the question, they said that n equals 5. So if we look at this first option, right, we're starting off with count as 1. And we are going to continue this code as long as 1 is less than, or as long as, well, the first time is 1 is less than or equal to 5. We're going to print count. So the first print that will be here is 1. And then count will go up by 1. So the next time it'll be 2. 2 less than or equal to 5, yes. So it'll print 2. And then it will go up to 3. And so 3 less than or equal to 5, yes. It'll print 3. Then it'll go up to 4. 4 less than or equal to 5, true. So it'll print 4. Then it'll go up to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5, true. So it'll print 5. Then it'll go up to 6. But then when we check is 6 less than or equal to 5, it's not. And so it doesn't print 6. So even though count becomes 6, it does not print 6 because of having the condition only run and print the count as long as count is less than or equal to 5. So this one fails to print 6. So A does not work. You can also check B. B also does not work. On B, notice count is 1 to start. And when we go into the loop, we will increase count by 1 first. So that means that count will become 2. And so the first print is going to be 2. So based on that, I don't even have to continue. B is definitely incorrect. Then we have now C and D. C is starting off with 0 and checking the condition, and then the first print is going to be the value of count. Well, if we start count with 0, then the first print is going to be 0, which is incorrect. From the question, our first print has to be 1. So C is not the answer either. Based on elimination, it must be D. But let's go ahead and run through D just to confirm that this is actually the correct answer. So notice that count does start with 0 on this one. But if you look at the code, when we go into the code, we're going to increase count by 1 first, then print it. So it goes up to 1, and then the first print that we print is the 1. And then we check is 1 less than or equal to, because remember n is 5. So that's true. So then count goes up to 2. We print 2. And then we check is 2 less than or equal to 5, true. So then count goes up to 3. We print 3. And then we go back to the condition, 3 less than or equal to 5, true. So then count goes up to 4. We print 4. And then we go back to the condition, 4 less than or equal to 5, true. So then count goes up to 5, and we print 5. And then we go back to the condition, 5 less than or equal to 5, true. So count goes up to 6, and we print 6. And then 6 less than or equal to 5, false, we stop. So D is the one that correctly prints 1 through 6.